Can you do the Eskimo kiss again? Can you give him Eskimo kisses? Oh, bless you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Go get a Kleenex. Oh, no. Oh, no. Go get a Kleenex. Yucky. Oh, my God. Oh, no. I guess we're going to skip that Eskimo kiss for your brother now, huh? Oh, my goodness. That is gross. Would you like to go wash your hands? Oh, I can't look away. It's like a train wreck.